this lesson, we are going to be adding polynomials. And remember, a polynomial is made up of multiple terms. And the reason there's parentheses here is because this is our first polynomial, that we're going to be adding our second polynomial. That we're going to follow the rules for combining like terms. When you're looking at your problem, we have 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x. Plus, that's our first one, plus the second polynomial of 2x squared plus x cubed minus 1. So it's in best practice to go ahead and find your highest exponent. So x to the third power, I can see, is the largest exponent. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to circle that, and I'm going to circle this. Remember, we have a 1 here, it is understood. And I didn't catch that plus sign, but this is positive. So we have a 2x cubed plus a 1x cubed, which would give us 3x cubed. Now we'll go in descending order. So now we're going to be looking for our x squareds. Well, notice I am catching the sign in front of the 5x squared because that's a negative 5x squared. And here I have a positive 2x squared. So negative 5, you always just put the coefficients together. Negative 5 plus 2 is a negative 3x squared. I'm looking for an x over here, and I don't see one. So I'm just going to write plus x. And now I'm looking, and I only have one number, so it's minus 1. And that is your final answer in simplest terms. All right, for number 2, our first polynomial is 3x squared plus x minus 6. The second polynomial we're going to add is x squared plus 4x plus 10. So I'm looking, what is my highest exponent? And I see that it actually is x squared. So I'm going to start here. And remember, I see it is positive, and we know that that's a 1. So we have 3 plus 1 is 4x squared. Now I'm looking for my x's, and I see I have a plus 1x here, and I have a positive 4x, so it's plus 5x. And now I do have numbers, and I am going to catch the sign in front of my 6. That's a negative 6, and now this is a positive 10. So negative 6 plus 10 is a positive 4. So we write plus 4. Again, our answer is in the correct format. So looking at number 3, we have 4m squared minus m plus 2. We're going to add that to the polynomial of negative 3m squared plus 10m plus 7. So I'm looking, again, I see m squared is my highest exponent. So a 4 plus a negative 3 is just going to be an m squared. I see that I have a negative, and that is a 1m. And I have a positive 10m. I'm catching the signs in the front. So that's plus 9m. And now I'm going to take my numbers, and I'm catching the sign in the front of them. They're both positive, so I am adding 9. Number 4, I have 9p squared minus 6p cubed plus 3 minus 11p. It's the first polynomial. It's in mixed up order, so I'm going to have to pay attention to that. The second one that we're going to add to it is 7p cubed minus 3p squared plus 4. So now let's look, and I actually see that I am going to start off with p cubed. And I have a negative 6 and a positive 7. So when I put those together, I just end up with p cubed. I don't even have to put the 1 there. So I'm looking now, I have a p squared here. I'm catching it. And I have a p squared here, and I'm catching that negative sign. So I have a 9p squared and a negative 3p squared. So 9 minus 3 is a positive 6. I'm writing plus 6p squared. I'm looking now, do I have another 11p? No, he's alone. So I'm just going to write minus 11p. And last but not least, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to add my numbers together. And a positive 3 positive 4 is plus 7. The format in descending order is the way your polynomials should always be written. If this video was helpful to you today, please add a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more Math with Marcia. See you again soon.